Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So very quickly, let's talk about the DAC inception airdrop. Alright, so there's been a lot of new updates which we actually need to talk about, so that if you are participating on the DAC inception testnet airdrop, you should be aware of it and of course act accordingly. So today guys, you can see they made an announcement right here about 5 hours ago saying that the inception faucet has actually upgraded, and over here right now, I haven't updated this, and over here we actually claim one DAC token every 3 hours. All right, so but right now they have actually made a new update right here saying that currently you can claim 3 DAC testnet token once every 24 hours, and I guess this is a very nice update because we are somehow tired of claiming every 8 hours. Even a lot of us even forget to claim after claiming once. All right, so they say right here an update for the network traffic brought by 1.2 million plus users hitting the limit in the first week. Faucet is clickable, but the queue is long, so claim won't reflect instantly. The team is working to speed it up. So over here guys, because there are a lot of people that actually tend to claim the token from the testnet faucet, this actually makes the queue to be very long, and they have now decided to actually make it 3 faucet token once every 24 hours instead of 1 faucet token every 8 hours. So coming back right now, like, let me show you what you need to do right now. So if you are still having this your own to be 1 DAC token every 24 hours, just go ahead right now and refresh the page. All right, so once you refresh the page, you will get to see that you can now claim 3 DAC token every 24 hours. So right now your address is already there, so just go ahead and click on claim testnet DAC. Okay, claim testnet that you can see it's loading right now. You can see claim accepted. DAC is being sent to your wallet, meaning that after some hours they are going to be sending 3 DAC token to your wallet. And one other thing that I need you guys to do right now is to properly understand how you can be able to participate on this DAC testnet token. All right, because a lot of you are actually doing it wrong. Now of course, when we say testnets involve a lot of things, especially sending token from one person to another. So right now, once you click over here on this trade line right here, okay, and for those of you who probably haven't joined, the link to join is going to be right there on the video description box. Just click on it to join the DAC inception testnet. All right, so once you join on it, just go ahead and claim your testnet token and start transacting. So drop your wallet address over there on the comment section, so that a lot of people will send you token, and you will also send for some people who are going to be dropping the address on the comment section. All right, so over here, once you come over here to my activity, you get to find out that this is your overall leaderboard, your rank on the entire leaderboard. And over here we have on-chain and social tasks to complete right now. So these are the tasks that you can actually complete once every you can complete on-chain, and when you come over here to social, you will get to find out that these are the tasks that you can complete. These are the tasks that you can complete socially, for example referring people and doing some other stuff right here. After this one, just come over here to this trade line again, come over here to QE pool. All right, so over here, once you click on this guys, they are going to asking you to bond DAC token to earn QE. QE is of course the point that's going to be later converted to actual DAC testnet token, DAC rail token that you can sell and make money. And over here guys, need to sell some token. For example right here, I will be burning 2 DAC token. Just go ahead and click on burn for 2000 QE, meaning that when you burn 2 DAC testnet token, you actually get 2000 QE in return. So when you click on DAC burn right now, you need to simply confirm it via your wallet, and once you actually burn token, you are also still participating on the testnet activity. All right, so this is taking time to pop up my wallet. When I scroll down a little bit right here, you can see we also have staking right here. Basically you need to simply stake your token. Okay, you need to stake your token, and once you stake your token, you are going to be getting DAC. You're also going to be getting QE, all right, in return. So over here right now, you can see my wallet just popped up the prompt that I inputted earlier to burn 2 DAC token. So I will click on confirm right now, and Of course, once I click on confirm, this should be going through, and of course the burning is going to begin, and of course we are going to be receiving 2000 QE for burning to DAC testnet token. It is just as simple as that. Okay, so this is actually taking time to load properly, but we are going to be continuing anyway. So over here right now, this is the transaction of my staking which I want to do. I will click on confirm right now. Okay, and once I click on confirm right now, you will get to see that the process will begin, and of course once it is confirmed on the blockchain, we are going to be good to go. All right, so looking over here right now, you notice that my balance has changed already. That was because of the burning that I did earlier, and of course it is still going to change again because of this staking that I'm doing right now. Okay, and after that part, guys, you can see that you can actually withdraw back your token if you want to. And of course, coming over here to claim, you get to find out that each staking you are making is actually earning DAC token for you. You can claim this if you want. All right, so now after that one, guys, you need to come over here to this trade line again. Then you go ahead and of course come over here to home page, and of course claim any remaining badge. And a lot of you are claiming badge, but you don't know that you need to mint it. So click over here on trade line again, come over here to badges, and you get to find out any badge that you haven't claimed. All right, any badge you haven't minted. For example, this one, I think I will click on it. Okay, it's not yet live for minting. Okay, when you scroll down, you get to see that there are a lot of badges right here for you to actually claim if you haven't claimed any yet. All right, so it is all as simple as that. And once you have done the the tasks that are available over here on my tasks, and of course you have actually provided the staking, and of course you have also done some burning, what you need to do is basically keep on transacting. That involves sending your token to someone out there, and you're receiving the token out there. Okay, this one you can do it from your wallet, and of course you need wallet addresses to do that. All right, so I'll be leaving my even my own wallet address right there on the comment section so that you can send me some token if you care. All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll be stopping here on this particular video. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next update that is going to be dropping very, very soon.